Hi, welcome to HardReset. In front of me Epson XP-6100, and now I'm going to show you how to set up the Wi-Fi connection on this device. So setting up or changing the Wi-Fi network setting to connect the printer to your wireless network, enabling wireless printing. So if you want to print wireless, it's a very good idea to connect your device to the Wi-Fi. So firstly, you should open settings, then scroll down to network settings and click OK. Here choose Wi-Fi setup. And here we have two different features, Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Direct. First thing to know that Wi-Fi Direct didn't work with iPhones, so it only with Android devices, but not with all Android devices. It's really rarely in new Android devices to support Wi-Fi Direct, so it often in old Samsung or Xiaomi devices. But now it's really not every device supports Wi-Fi Direct, but every device supports Wi-Fi. So open the Wi-Fi, here inside find, so click Start Setup. Choose Wi-Fi Setup Wizard if you want to provide the password from your network, so manual. But if you have access to your Wi-Fi router, you can just choose Push Button Setup VPS. So click on it and then click on VPS button on your Wi-Fi router, if of course your Wi-Fi router has the VPS button. So if you have, so just click on it, then click VPS button on your Wi-Fi router and your Epson will be automatically connected to your Wi-Fi. But if you don't have access to your router or Wi-Fi VPS button on your router, so just click Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Here choose the Wi-Fi network you want to connect, and it's a very good idea to notice that this printer don't support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks, only 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, so click OK. So choose the Wi-Fi network you want to connect and enter the Wi-Fi password. So if you want to change to signs, first you need to move to this sign and here click OK, and here you will see the signs. For example, I will enter my password. If you wanna enter uppercase buttons, so click on Shift button, or if you wanna enter more than one uppercase button, click on Shift button twice. If you wanna enter in different keyboard types, so you can change it to T9 mode, or here for example we have domain names if you want, so you can use it too. Oh my gosh, I need to enter it again. And then just click OK. Afterward, scroll down and click Start Setup and wait till your printer connects to the Wi-Fi. Setup complete. It takes maybe 1 minute or something about it. And you can print the print check report. As you can see, it detected the new firmware upgrade, so now I need to click this means you can register your Epson Connect. No, I don't want to register it right now. Load paper, click OK. Wait a while. And as you can see, here I have information about my Wi-Fi network. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.